sun is annoying today. Hmm, 70, 87, it's pretty old. The 87th car built, M7. There it goes. Yeah, another M7.
The diesel train, mine is the diesel.
Another 8-car M7. No. Yeah. See, I can't even tell.
Why do they have the lights on?
Because you have to. So it's gonna stop early. It's an 8-car M7. It's car, let's say 50, no, look at me, 7581 M7s. I was looking at my train app and all day they're running M7s. Normally they mix it up with M9s. Well, once in a while you see an M3 on this line, but not today. One day that I'm filming, only M7s. It's a half hour later. We're here. I don't know where to point the camera so that that ugly bar it doesn't show up. That glare.
Maybe this next one will be an
No, they're all M7s today. Unfortunately.
This says like not started, so I don't know what it was.
Oh. Oh, right here. They're starting to advertise stuff on the train again. I'm gonna go back because there's people gonna come out.
You want to touch it?
Oh, I can look inside of here?
Look on it.
What's in there?
Okay, it's going.
Derek. 7719, the car number. There it goes. Mm-hmm. Literally sounds like there's crickets inside of the tracks. This is nice and smooth. $71.27.
The first car would be 7101, right?
No, 7001. That scared the crap out of me. You can tell by the discoloration of that third rail that happens every time. Oh crap. Look. There's fire. From the spark. This isn't good. There's a fire burning on the tracks.
Alright, I'll just burn the wheels. It doesn't have enough fuel to like burn the whole thing now. Only has a little bit of it. Okay.
Yeah, but what if that fire reaches the third rail?
Then...
Ma, what are we gonna do?
Just throw a rock on it and I'll be fine, right?
Oh, wait for it to go out. Third rail spark that caused the fire.
When the train went by.
It was bigger, but
Okay,
Good thing it went out. You know
well,
that?
it's going out. It's not out. Actually, it's not out. It's actually coming back.
And the smoke is coming.
No, the fire, it's grabbing onto this grass now. I can't believe that we are here when this happens.
Should I go step on it?
No, you know, take like that grass thing and go like that. Will that make it go away or make it fire more?
Smells like marijuana, kind of.
That's fine.
There's nobody in the ticket booth, right? No.
Can I go down there and throw a rock on it?
Yeah, throw a rock at it.
I think she
Wait, what's the rock gonna do?
pile it with rocks, because if it right next to this
Third rail.
little
That thing
fire.
over there.
I know.
So this is the suspect of sparking, this third rail. Try to put it out. Yeah, that's good.
Try it hard.
We did it together. Okay, we put fire out, you and I.
Yeah.
I mean, it would have made it look like a fork fire. It's only this little.
Yeah, we
No,
did
we
it.
have done over there.
Yeah, what
Look
else?
how
It was the dry.
I mean, it wouldn't like spread out like the whole city.
You never know. You never know. If it would have gone there, but it's metal already.
Yeah, we put
Oh,
the
yeah.
fire out.
Look how much it burned.
Yeah, it goes going.
Look
It's
at that.
going slowly.
That would have made a humongous
If we didn't
explosion
stop
if it
it
hit.
would go there, and
Yeah.
then who knows?
Yeah.
Okay, we did it.